We're making keto bread with vegetables and we're going to toast it. Let's go. Technically, this one is a keto potato bread because this one's made with mashed cauliflower. And of course, you may have seen in our recent live me do this bread with broccoli. We're going to show you all sides of this bread. We're cutting it in half. We're going to toast it for you just so you can decide whether you want broccoli or cauliflower. And you're not restricted to just those two vegetables. You can use any pureed vegetable. This bread is really great if you have a child or a grandchild who hates vegetables. This is one way you could get 100 grams of vegetables into their day. The nutritional information and your shopping list is listed in the description box. Let's get into this recipe now. To a bowl, add 100 grams or 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of your choice of pureed vegetables, then 50 grams or 7 tablespoons of almond or lupin flour, a half teaspoon of baking powder, then 10 grams of finely grated Parmesan cheese or almond flour if you want to keep it dairy free, a pinch each of salt, black pepper and garlic powder, and regarding seasonings, only the salt is essential. The rest is your choice. Finally, 1 large egg. Mix that together until fully combined. Now I used frozen vegetables that was defrosted and then I pureed it. If you want to use fresh vegetables, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of water in addition. Then grease a 5.5 by 5.5 inch or 13 by 13 centimeter microwave safe container. Add the batter to your sandwich container and smooth it off as best as you can. And quite simply microwave for 4 minutes if you have a 700 watt microwave. If you have a 1000 watt microwave, I would cook the bread for 3 minutes, then check it. When that's done, do let it cool beforehand. Just to compare using one vegetable over another, I also tried this recipe with pureed broccoli and did exactly the same thing as before. After adding the broccoli, I added the almond flour, cheese, seasonings, baking powder and the egg. And after mixing that together, added it to my grease container and smoothed off the batter. Then microwaved it for 4 minutes and let it cool. This is how it looks on the inside. I just cut 1 slice in half lengthwise. And to toast it, you need to set your toaster to at least setting 4 to get some crunch and browning because this bread is quite filling given the addition of vegetables. And this is how it turns out. It is crunchy and to me it tastes like regular toast, and cue the sound. This bread is actually really flavorful depending on the spices that you've added, and it actually has a hint of cheesy mashed potato to it. If you do get to try it, and I hope you do let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching and all your support. Stay safe and be well.
Hey guys, if you like this video and you want to see another one just like it, click on that box there. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on this box here. What are you waiting for?